So now that we know Pythagoras' rule, we've got a triangle here. Just sort of highlight the sides, and it's a right angle, so that's very important. Otherwise we can't apply Pythagoras. And we've got an unknown side length, so I'm going to call this x. Now that we know Pythagoras, we have a right angle triangle, we can work out what the length of x is. X here is opposite the right angle, so it is the hypotenuse, HYP, I just abbreviate. So I'll write down, you should write down Pythagoras' theorem, the general form of it, the general rule, c squared equals b squared plus a squared. Now what we're going to do is going to substitute values in. So we start off by writing, well, the x is the hypotenuse, so I'm going to write x squared. The x here is equivalent to the c length in the general rule. Next step, again I'll use different colour. 15 here is one of the shorter sides, so let's write down 15 squared. Actually I'm not sure why I wrote b squared plus a squared there, but that's okay. And the other shorter side here is 6. Now we've applied Pythagoras, now we've just got to go to our calculator. I'll just get my eraser. So go to your calculator, I'll just pause the video for a second. So you'll see my calculator. So I'm just going to go 15, use the square key, plus 6 squared, it equals, you get 261. Next step, now you got what you've worked out here is the x squared, so the squared length. So how do we get the original length? Well, we need to take the square root, reverse the squaring operation. You take the square root of something. So we need to get the square root, get rid of that square there, of 261. So again, go to your calculator. Now that I've already got 261 in the calculator, I'm going to use the answer key. So hit the square root key, press answer, it brings up the previous answer from memory, 261, hit equals. And now we can write down our final answer. And that was 16.16, and you should write whatever the units might be centimetres. There's no units here. Okay, so that's an example where we've worked out the hypotenuse length. In the next video I'll show you how to do a triangle where you're given the hypotenuse length.